Hello guys, welcome back to another video of some vlogs here on YouTube. Today I'm gonna be looking at 20 fun facts from a random word generator. So let's get on with the video. Number 1, sharks lived on Earth before trees. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Camels originated in North America. Oh wow, I didn't know that. In 1919, a wave of molasses rushed through the streets of Boston, killing 21 people and injuring 150. Yeah, I've heard of this. It was like this before they used to use molasses in bombs, like they distilled it into alcohol or something like that, and they used it for bombs in like World War II or sorry, no, not World War II, like World War I, because this was in 1919, so they had a ton of molasses left over, and they made a really weak tank. Okay. Next one, most people have an above average number of arms. What? Wait, what? Oh my god, that's wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. A dog named Duke was the mayor of Cormorant, Minnesota for 4 consecutive terms before retiring at 91 in dog years. Oh, that's pretty funny. I've never heard of that actually. Most of the visible stars you see in the night sky are binary stars, 2 stars orbiting each other. Oh, that's actually pretty interesting. Also, fun fact that I know about. The stars that you see in the sky, they aren't actually in that specific spot. It takes light years, or like, it was there like, I don't know, like 20 light years. If you don't know what light years are, it's like the time it takes for light to reach somewhere. You can just search it up somewhere else, don't worry. In 1961, 2 hydrogen bombs were accidentally dropped over North Carolina. A glitch prevented them from detonating. Yeah, I also heard of this. It's called like Project Chrome Dome. When the U.S. during the Cold War, they had like a dozen B-52 nuclear bombers always in the sky. So if the USSR attacked the United States, they could attack back. So and sometimes the bombs accidentally dropped. Canada's forests make up nearly 9% of the world's total forest areas. I know this because there's this guy that there's this guy on YouTube Shorts that does like things like Canada, what's happening to you, or India, what's happening to you, and he does comparisons and stuff like that. And he said that 10%. So the Canary Islands were named after dogs, not canaries. What? Oh. Smallpox is the only infectious disease that affects humans to have been eradicated. Oh, pretty nice. Orcas are a natural predator to moose. Well, I'm guessing maybe if a moose is like, I don't know, like swimming in really shallow water from one place to another, an orca can kind of sneak up on it. I don't know. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled in 1893 that a tomato is a vegetable and not a fruit. That's pretty goofy, but okay. I honestly don't know. Up to now, I don't know. There was a proposed amendment to the U.S. Constitution in 1916 that would put all acts of war to a national vote, and anyone voting yes would have to register as a volunteer for service in the United States Army. Okay. Jupiter has over 70 moons. I thought that was 23. I thought they had 23. Oh, never mind. No, that was Saturn, I guess. If the sun dies, it'll take about 8 minutes before we realize that it has. Yeah, because in the morning, it actually takes 8 minutes for the light from the sun to reach the Earth. So There are some spiders that keep tiny frogs as pets to stop pests that are trying to eat the spider's eggs. What? Dude, I've never... Oh my god, that's crazy. No, that's crazy. Okay. Cosmic latte is the average color of the universe. But who made that? Some Starbucks employee? Maine is the closest state to Africa. Oh. That's pretty interesting. But wouldn't Florida be also really close? I don't really know, honestly. In space, you don't need welding materials to get two metals to fuse. They will do it on their own if you place them close enough together. That's interesting. Probably because in space it's a vacuum. I don't know what that does. And the final one, Australia exports camels to the Middle East. What? Aren't camels born in the Middle East? What? That's so weird. Oh, I'm gonna have to look into that. Just so there's something of open source, but I'm not gonna do it right now. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy the next video.